Alright, this is the inlet valve, water inlet valve or valves for the LG washing machine. These are normally, what happens here is if you have 220 that's coming in here, which opens the valve for water intake. Normally the first problem always is that those inlets there could also be blocked. What I've done is I've taken all the screws out just to show you what is. If you take this out and you sit with this guy here, and there is a, if you take that, just be careful, there's a spring there. So if you look at that, that's a spring there. So then that's what you're going to basically see here, is this where the water comes in. Obviously once this has been triggered, it'll allow water in, and then when the current stops, basically this will stop the water from coming in.